Okay, we've seen the overview. Now let's see the experiment. And seeing the experiment, the first thing we're going to talk about is the apparatus and materials. The materials that are going to be needed for the experiment. One, we need light, a very powerful light of about 100 watts. Okay. Now we need a projector lamp or an LED mercury light. Okay. Now the next one is a ruler. The ruler is going to be used to measure the distances at which we place the lights. We also need a stopwatch. The stopwatch will measure the number, will be the time in which we measure the number of bubbles produced. And then we need a 400 cm3 beaker, what you see over here. The beaker is going to contain the water. We need a thermometer. The thermometer will be used to check the temperature of the setup. We also need a test tube which will contain sodium hydrogen carbonate. This sodium hydrogen carbonate ensures that we have a constant supply of carbon dioxide. And lastly, we need our plant that is going to undergo photosynthesis. In this case, we selected Elodea. Elodea is a pondweed that will undergo our photosynthesis for us. So the projector lamp is for the light source. Ruler is to check how far we are positioning the lamp. Stopwatch will be the time in which we count, the bubbles. 400 cm3 beaker will contain the water. Thermometer to check the temperature of the setup. We need a test tube which contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. This will ensure there is a constant supply of carbon dioxide. And then pondweed will be there to undergo our photosynthesis.